Hi, everybody, and welcome. I'm Carl Fisher of Camaplan. I'm honored to have Elizabeth Cummings with us today, as she'll provide answers to some of the more complex, frequently asked questions concerning IRAs. Beth, welcome today. Can you talk a little bit about the tax brackets an IRA might be subject to if they did have to pay taxes?
Sure. Absolutely, yes, because one of those tax filing requirements may end up being a 990T. We can define later what the unrelated business taxable income is, and that is UBIT, and also unrelated debt financing income. Those two aspects, which we can define, may in fact require the filing of a 990T and payment of tax. That usually follows. There's a threshold there. If you don't make more than $1,000 in regards to UBIT or UDFI, you do not have to file the 990T. However, if you do, the 990T needs to be filed, and it is taxed at trust tax rates. And what that means is they are higher tax brackets than your individual tax rates. Even if you have a taxpayer that's all the way up in the 39.6 bracket, you're going to reach that tax rate at a much quicker pace within a trust, which is the rates that you're using for the 990T. The first $2,450 of earnings of taxable income, I should say, within your SDIRA that would be taxable on the 990T is taxed at 15%. Then it's a small jump up to $5,700. Now you're already at the 25% bracket. I mean, that's typically where I would say the median of taxpayers stop. So taking that all the way through, all you have to do is have $11,950 of taxable income on your 990T, and you're already at the 39.6 bracket. So that is a very quick jump to a 40% tax.
So you're right there with all the 1%ers according to
That's right.
Them after 12,000.
That's right.
That's a little bit scary. Hey, Beth, thanks a lot. As always, this information is for educational purposes only. Each individual's circumstances can be unique. This webinar should not be considered as rendering tax, legal, accounting, or investment or other professional advice. If tax or legal, accounting, investment, or other similar expert assistance is required, the service of a competent professional should be sought.
Great. Thank you so much, Carl.